Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 6th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let us begin the class.
Dear students, we are continuing with the topic operation on fractions. You studied about conversion of an improper fraction into mixed fraction, conversion of a mixed number into an improper fraction. Also, you studied about addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. The chapter is having something more about what we say operation on fractions, which we will be studying now in a very simple way, and the chapter itself is quite simple according to me. Let us study or understand what is more in the chapter. First is about showing fractions on the number line. Number line, you know that a line where we are marking numbers with a particular distance and with a particular number of divisions in between. Here is a number line which is as shown in your textbook with from 0 to 10, and the interesting fact is that between each number, each unit, the division is 10. You can see that the division between unit, that is one unit, is this much. From here to here we can call a unit, and you can see that there are 10 divisions over here. That is why 10 over here. This is marked as fourth unit, 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 10. As it reaches over here, the count increases. It must be, when it reaches over here, this particular point, it will be 10 upon 10. Here it is 37 upon 10, because here it is 30 upon 10, and that is, it is equal to 3 here. Understood? So it is that's why fraction is important. 30 upon 10 can be written as 3, and here it is 37 upon 10. 37 upon 10 means 37 divided by 10. 3 tens are 30, and balance is remainder is 7. So it is written like this. So a number line is having two important things. One is the number itself. Second is the how many divisions are there in between consecutive numbers. This is very important. Here you see the second example. Here you are having 3 divisions in between. That is why denominator is 3. This is 0, and here it is 1. Between that 1, 2, 3. This is 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1. Understood? So this is 4 upon 3. This is 5 upon 3. This is 6 upon 3. That is why it is 2. So this 3 is indicating how many divisions are there between consecutive units or in between equal parts. Every unit is divided into 3 equal parts here. This is the fundamental of a number line, so that you can depict any number on any fraction on this. It all decided by the denominator, how many divisions are there in between each consecutive units or numbers. Please remember that. We are continuing with the same topic. So fraction has to be shown on a number line. Every unit on the number line must be divided into as many equal parts as denominator. This is the most important thing you should keep in mind while studying about number line and expressing fractions. For a fun, it is given that if it is 3 upon 10, that means between 0 and 1 there will be 10 divisions. Correct? If it is 9 upon 20, that means there will be 20 divisions. And if it is 19 upon 40, you cannot imagine 40 divisions should be there. So how big it would be? If you have to make divisions visible, it will be quite a big number line. So that is why it's something interesting written over there in the textbook. Showing fraction on the number line. We are continuing. Here is a practice section, very simple. As it is showing 6 over here, we are sure that there are 6 divisions here, and this is 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. 12 upon 6 is equal to 2. Here it will be surely 1 back. It is 5 upon 6, because this is 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, right? 10 upon 6 you will mark. So it's very simple exercise. मैं आपको weak करना नहीं चाहता हूँ, आप खुद करेंगे. Multiplication of fractions. This is something interesting. 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 is an example for multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. So I will be doing something. Here it is 3 upon 5 I have to take. So first I need 5 as denominator, that means 5 divisions. Out of that 3 I have to mark 1, 2, 3. This is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. 3 marked here. This is 3 marked. Correct. Now that 3 upon 5 should be multiplied by half. It should be halved. Multiplied by half of 3 upon 5 it is. So I have to half it, cut it half. This part which is 3 upon 5 to be cut into half. So I will cut it lengthwise and I got half of it. I will just change the color. So this dark blue is what is half of 3 upon 5, or 3 upon 5 into half. 3 upon 5 into half is what is dark here. How much is this? First it was 3 upon 5 which I marked. Now 3 upon 5 again. So total division now over here is 1, 2, to make it shown to you. 1 second. 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of that, this much is 3 upon 5. You know how much it is? 3 out of 10 it is. That means 3 upon 5 into half must be equal to 3 upon 10. तो कैसा मिला? 3 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 3, 5 इंटू 10 आंसर मिल गया. वही आंसर ऑब्जर्वेशन से मिल गया. वही आंसर इधर दिख रहा है. दैट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन मीन्स सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई. Multiply numerator with numerator and write the product, and multiply denominator with denominator and write the product. Understood? Simply multiply. You are not bothered about what is denominator, what is numerator. For example, 3 upon 4 into 4 upon 2. You will simply multiply and write 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Simply multiply and write. Irrespective of why I have to say simply, because it was when it was addition and subtraction, we were supposed to make the denominator same, and we used to multiply both numerator and denominator of one of the fraction or both the fraction in order to get the denominator same. Then we will go ahead. Otherwise, we will find out LCM and go ahead. Multiplication of fraction is a bindas job. Simply multiply numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Finished. The matter is over. And you can make it simple. You can convert it into mixed number, or you can make it a simpler fraction by dividing both with 4. It will be 3 upon 3 4s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 3 upon 2 it is. All these things are different things, but multiplication of fraction means simply multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Product of the numerator is written in the numerator, and that of denominator is written in denominator. Finished. Chalo, आगे जाएंगे. This is picture is, I just want to show you, this picture is from your textbook, where they have explained you how it is. Look at it. It's very simple, as I explained to you, and otherwise I explained by seeing the textbook. Here there are 5, this one, and marked 3 out of 5, and that is further divided into 2, and you got out of that 3 out of 5 into half, and halved it, and then we are getting this much. This much special for us, this much, and this is equal to 3 upon 10. You can look into the textbook, because that will help you to get the idea very clear. Now another concept, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. ये क्या होता है? When a product of two number is 1, each number is multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Two number का product 1 होना मांगता है. How can it be? Okay, it can be. For example, if it is 5 upon 6 is multiplied by 6 upon 5, you can either cancel or otherwise write 30 upon 30, which is equal to 1, no problem. Otherwise you cancel it and write it as 1. 6 divided by 6, 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It is only 1 and 1. One condition. 4 into 1 upon 4 is also equal to 1. 4 cancel with 1, 1. Otherwise this is equal to 4 upon 1. That means simple number. Simply if you write a number, it means the denominator is 1. Understood? So this you should keep in mind, what is meant by reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. when we do multiplication, when we have reciprocal, if you multiply with reciprocal, you will get the answer 1. Please remember that. 71 upon 3 from your textbook, 3 upon 71, and it is equal to 1. So reciprocal or multiplicative inverse means you will write the denominator to numerator, either, and numerator to denominator. The multiplicative inverse you got. Very simple. We require this. That you will come to know now. Division of fraction जब पढ़ने जाएगा, there just like subtraction of integers के time बताया था, there is no rule. Subtraction will be converted into addition and will apply the rule of addition. The operation of subtraction will be converted into addition and addition का rule लगाएंगे. जैसे division के लिए you will do multiplication with inverse. That is why reciprocal. To introduce that, to make you understand, a very simple thing is given here. It's about bakari or chapati, whatever it may, let it be bakari as it is given. bakari आपको मालूम है, चपाती जैसा दिखा है लेकिन चावल का है. Now the thing over here is it is divided into 4 equal or 4 quarter. You know what is quarter? 1 upon 4, 1 divided 4 times. The whole is divided by, and out of that 1 is called 1 upon 4. How many people can have this? 4 people can eat this, right? That means 4 people when eat 1 upon 4 of bakri, the total 1 bakri will get over. क्यों? 1 upon 4 into 4 is equal to 1. अभी देखा था. That means if you think about division, 1 divided by, if you are dividing 1 with any one of these, if you are dividing 1 with 4, you will be getting 1 upon 4. If you are dividing 1 with 1 upon 4, total एक चपाती हो गया बाकरी, total 1 बाकरी हो जाए. If you are dividing it 1/4 से divide कर रहे हैं, because we are giving quarter to each, then it must be sufficient for 4 people. Correct? ये division correct है, लेकिन ये division कैसे किया? Then we understood that 1 divided by 4 की जगह पे 1 into take the reciprocal of this. चलिए वो reciprocal के बाद की, reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1, and you will get the answer of 4. So whenever you multiply with reciprocal, you will get the answer for division. तो division के लिए क्या करेंगे? You will multiply with reciprocal. There is another example, again related to your textbook. 6 blocks of jaggery is there. Jaggery मालूम है ना, gourd. Each 1 kilogram, हर एक 1 kilogram का jaggery एक. If one family requires 1.5 kg of jaggery every month, एक महीने में 1.5 kg चाहिए, एक 1 jaggery full और एक half kg का jaggery, मतलब 1 kg का ही मिलता है, उसको आधा करना पड़ेगा. How many families will have these blocks of it? So 6 blocks are there. One family requires 1.5, second family 1.5, third family 1.5, तो fourth family 1.5, ऐसा 1.5 every month चाहिए. तो 6 blocks है तो कितना होएगा? So we need to divide 6 jaggeries are there and we have to divide it with 1.5. 1 है तो 6 family को 1 kilogram चाहिए होता, तो what happens? That will be the each how many families will this block, it will be sufficient for 6 families. लेकिन 1 से sufficient नहीं, 1.5 kg चाहिए तो 6 family को नहीं मिलने वाला. अगर 2 kg होता तो हम जल्दी से बोलते 3 family के लिए होता है, because 6 kg है, 2 kg each family will write 3. Now what is this? This is a fraction. So we will be applying the same rule. We have to convert this into 6 divided by 1.5 की जगह पे हमको 3/2 लिखना पड़ेगा. We are converting that mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Now we have to multiply this with reciprocal of it and we get this goes to answer is 4. तो 4 फैमिली को सफिशिएंट होगा. अभी हम इसको ज़रा डायग्रामेटिकली समझने के लिए देखेंगे, क्योंकि बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग दिस फर्स्ट टाइम और लर्निंग दिस फर्स्ट टाइम, डायरेक्ट मैथ्स के एप्लीकेशन या मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन में जाने से अच्छा है थोड़ा कुछ हम समझने का कोशिश करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? विल सी दैट. देयर आर 6 जैगरीज, तो मैं डिवाइड करके ही लेना है, मुझे समझ में आया तो डिवाइड किया. एक फैमिली का हो गया, दूसरा फैमिली का हो गया, तीसरा फैमिली का हो गया, 14 फैमिली का हो गया. करेक्ट? तो करेक्ट है. तो जो डिवीजन किया था ये 1.5, फर्स्ट फैमिली, सेकंड फैमिली, थर्ड फैमिली, फोर्थ फैमिली. क्या हुआ है? 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.5 kg which is equal to 6 divided by 3 upon 2 which is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 upon 3 which is equal to 4. Another example, 12 divided by 4. उसमें क्या मजा है? 12 divided by 4 तो हमको आता है, but we should understand that how will we do it in this context. We have to do it in the multiplication format. So 12 into reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4 and we get 3. ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं ना? ऐसा है. If you think out converting a fraction into reciprocal of it, you will take denominator to denominator. The 4 means 4 upon 1. So whichever number we are dividing, we will take the reciprocal. Another example here, in this case I have to 5 upon 7 into 3 upon 2 करना पड़ेगा, which is equal to 15 upon 9. Sorry, I'm very sorry. 15 upon 5, 3, 7, 2s are 14. Okay, so this way we will do the division of fractions. Division of fraction, we have to do what we have to do. Divide the number by a fraction is to multiply by with its reciprocal. Very simple chapter. You studied about fraction, operation of fraction, where you studied about proper fraction, improper fraction to proper fraction, then what is meant by mixed number. Now in this video you could get an idea about multiplication and division of fractions. ये तो आपको जैसे when we studied about plus minus at the beginning, it was just like a Herculean job, and nowadays you are doing addition and subtraction very simply. The same way, multiplication and division of fraction, addition and subtraction of fraction, all this will become a day-to-day business in your math study. So my dear students, be very thorough, be very clear, practice, do all the sums given in the textbook yourself. Example देखने के आपको permission है, समझने के बाद अच्छे से समझने के बाद exercise start करेंगे. I am 100% sure that you will get the answer correct. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.